If I would ask you, do you let your hand or legs work for 24 hours without even stopping or letting it rest? You will probably or definitely say no, right? And if I would ask you, do you let your brain rest? So you will get confused, but let me tell you, your answer should be that you don't let your brain rest, because nowadays we never let our brain rest, because every time we are just thinking something or giving any work or task to our brains, like, right? And we never give rest to our brain. But it is apart from the sleeping, like whenever we are sleeping also, we give our brain rest, right? But apart from the sleeping also, it is very much important for us to give rest to our brain, to let it work at its best performing state, right? If we don't let our brain rest, so it will not gonna perform at its best state, and our whole body will gonna suffer from it and face the consequences, because the brain is the organ which commands the whole body. And just take the example that if the brain is not working properly, then how it gonna command the whole body, right? So the brain is commanding the whole body to work properly. Otherwise, if brain is not performing well, the whole body is also not going to perform well. So we should let it work properly, we should give it rest properly. And apart from the rest, like sleeping also, in daytime also, if we are not working, if we can give rest, we should sit calm and relax and just give rest to our brain, so that it can rejuvenate itself.